Hi friends, when you want to create a perfect website for your business, WordPress is going to be your first choice. You just need to select a perfect WordPress theme and start creating your website, and that too without having any technical knowledge. We have seen hundreds of themes on this channel, hundreds of resources for WordPress website on this channel, and in this video, we are going to create a wonderful and to the point website, modern layout website for industry or factory. So industrial website or factory related website can be created using the theme that we are going to overview in this video, and the theme name is Mistri. It is a dedicated theme for factory and industrial websites. And Mistri brings three stunning pre-made websites that you can use directly for your website project, and you can see the presentation of content is really very unique and modern in style. This is one, this is second, and this one is third. So this is going to be any of these three going to be our target website in this video, and we are going to install the Mistri WordPress theme and overview all its features so that you may decide to choose this theme for your website project and create a wonderful website. So I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel, and you are also welcome to join the iCreate program before we start. And I am having this fresh installation of WordPress, and our website is looking like this with the default WordPress theme, and I'm using this shared hosting plan. All these things that you need for your website you can avail through video description link at WP Themes website. So Mistri has been developed by the Flexily code. Okay, so and the theme is actually new and it came into existence in just few days back, and we are reviewing this theme on this channel. So I'm happy to record this video, and amazingly it is available just for $14. Yes, so this is a great opportunity for you and us to create a unique website having very less number of copies on the web. In fact, 2 sales only, so I can say, and it is available just for $14. So you can say the negligible price, the wonderful website theme. Okay, so let us start, and I'll show you the theme pack first of all. In the theme pack, I have this installable theme file and the docs. So this is the theme file that we are going to use. To install the theme, we have to follow the same procedure as we always do, but you have to follow the exact steps. So go to the appearance section in the theme and click on themes and click on add new theme here. And we have to upload the theme here by selecting mistri-wp.zip file. This is installable theme file, and we can simply click on install now. The theme file size is very less. It is well optimized WordPress theme, so it got installed within seconds, and we can simply go to the theme page and to check the further details. I am using the Mistri very first version. This is version 1. When you will order the theme, might be on later dates, you will be getting updated version as per availability. But yes, the installation process will remain almost same. Let us activate the theme. Upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get all the functionality, all the required and desired functionality at our website. Let us see what is here. So I can see 10 plugins and mostly are required. Breadcrumb is for creating breadcrumbs, and CodeStar is the framework that has been used. It is a new framework, and not exactly new, but yes, it is being used at websites. And Elementor is the page builder that has been used. It is very good. Cloud Translate is also here, so we can create in website in different languages as well. WooCommerce is also included, just in case if you are willing to create an e-commerce website. And all the great plugins are here. I'm going to select all these 10 plugins and we'll try to install all the 10 listed plugins in one click. If it works, it will install all the 10 plugins in one attempt, single attempt, and we can proceed further. So I wish to show you the exact time. It is mandatory, in fact necessary, to use a WordPress optimized hosting plan that is generally ignored by the users who are creating the website. So it is always recommended to have a WordPress optimized hosting, and that too with the cPanel control panel. So it is really going to be helpful in the future aspects of your website maintenance. So just follow the video description link, go to the WP Themes website, explore the hosting plans, and all great hosting providers are there. You can choose any of them. And yes, it is great. And we have installed successfully all 10 plugins in a single attempt. You can see all the green marks here. All plugins has been successfully installed without any trouble in a single click. And I'm coming back to the plugin installer screen and choosing all the installed plugins once again. And this time I'm going to activate these installed plugins. Wonderful. So we have installed the theme along with all set of plugins. Coming back to the dashboard, yes, it is just a welcome page of Elementor. We can come back to the dashboard and okay, wonderful. So it is all here and we can proceed further for next step. Meanwhile, we can take a look of our website. I'm going to refresh this, how it looks with the theme and all set of plugins. Okay. So this is the basic look, core layout of website, and it don't have any demo content as of now. So we have 3 target layouts. We can choose any of these layouts, 3 pre-made websites. All the internal pages are also included in the theme. In the demo content itself. So you can choose any of these layouts. I like this one very much. This is very unique. Okay, so you can choose any out of 3. Okay, to proceed further, we have to import the demo content to make our demo website complete. And I am going to explore the link. Okay, so I'm going to show you all these things, what is coming new. But yes, let us complete the demo website, and under appearance, I can see there is an option, import demo data, and this is the very one option. We can simply click this and continue and import. Now, the demo content import process is begin, and it is going to take time, of course, because it is connected to developer server, and it is bringing all the contents like images, media items, and pages, all elements at your installation. So it is going to take time, maybe 5 or 10 minutes even. So you have to wait patiently here without refreshing the page or hitting the back button. Yes. So if you want to check what is going inside, you can open the media library in another tab. And if you are getting images here, like I am receiving images, 22 media items in just few seconds. I'm going to refresh this as well, 27 now. So it is going very fast. So if you are getting images here, it means the demo import process is going fine and you just need to wait without disturbing the process. And after 3 minutes, the demo import process is still going on, and I can refresh this page to count the media contents that I have received. 138 media items. Okay, so it is a big number and still it is going on. Meanwhile, the demo import process is going on. We can explore the inner pages that is available in the website. So I am going to choose this one. And if we check the services page, it is really okay. So this is industry gear. Okay, so this is good one. And similarly, if we have the about us page or team pages, all great layouts can be chosen here, and we can directly use these pages for our website. And I'm sure you are aware about the iCreate program. It is a very interactive program to create website using WordPress platform, and you can simply join the program and start your project. And if you have any doubt, you can discuss in the live chat, or you can connect a mentor, schedule a chat with mentor. So everything is for you, and you will definitely complete your website with the help of mentor. So you will get a free pass to join the iCreate program once you buy the theme through video description link at Envato Market, that is at themeforest.net. So it is important to follow the links always. And now I can check again. It is still going on. So I just wanted to show you the time. Now it is around 4 minutes since the demo import process is going on. It is for me. It all depends on your internet speed, the server capacity, and all such dependent factors. But yes, it is roughly the same time for all installation. And I can refresh this page just to check again. 138 was there, and now it is 214. So the image import process is very fast. So it means everything is working fine as of now. But yes, we need to check and understand everything. So it is still going on. And now within 5 minutes, I got this cool message. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. First of all, I'll show you the media items. How many media items I have received? 226. Okay, big number, great. And I am equally eager to refresh this page just to check our new website. If it is okay, we can conclude. Okay, so it is nothing here. Wonderful. But yes, I can check all the pages if it is here. Yes, so pages are here. So what I can do, I can check the pages. If pages are here, we can simply set our home pages. However, it was not set. Yes, so it is fine and it is available here. We can simply set our home page, and yes, we can go with this and this one. So I am going to choose our home page first. Let us first set our home page under customize tab, appearance, customize, and I'm going to choose the home page that I liked, the second home page I liked very much. So under home page setting, we can simply select a static page and select the home page 2. For me, it is applicable, and I believe it is all done now. Yes, it should be. But yes, I need to refresh this one. Okay, great. So, okay, so this is just a thing that I wanted to have, and it is complete now. And if we wish to compare, so menu, and this is menu area. Okay, so menu area we need to define again. So I'm going to the appearance, menus, and menu location. Okay, so primary menu is not here, menu 1, and the mobile menu can be same. Save the changes. Now it should be fine. Yes, it is here. So this is hidden because this is logged in status, and all the contents, all the great website elements are here. So we have completed the installation without any doubt, with all set of content and inner pages. So I can show you the inner page randomly just to show you. Okay, so this is great one. So the installation remained smooth, successful, and we have received all the content. So coming back to the dashboard, and now I'm going to show you what is available inside in terms of customization options. So now we can conclude we are going to use this theme for our website project, and it is a great WordPress theme, of course, Mistri for factory and industrial websites. So it is a dedicated theme available just for $14 as of now. Yes, you can follow the video description link to buy the theme. Let us proceed to explore rest of the theme. So Mistri options, first of all, I'll show you the theme panel, you can say. So under header settings, we have all the things, top bar settings, and so yes, so header settings, top bar settings. So something is not visible here, but yes, header settings is here, and the sidebar pop-up. So this is very very first version of the theme, and I believe it is getting updated regularly, and we will get all the basic things. If it is not available, somehow it will be fixed in the next update, of course. So you can always get the updated version of the theme at the theme forest. So these are the controls like archive and search, the footer settings, and the scripts and theme settings, of course. So enable preloader or so. So all these things are available. And coming back to the dashboard, I'll show you the next option, Mistri options we have seen. WooCommerce, just in case if you are using this theme for e-commerce activity, and loco translate if you want to translate the terms. The rest of things are very common, as in simple WordPress website. For editing the content, you can simply edit with the Elementor. It is available here. You can open the page that you want to edit and click on edit with Elementor. So it is very simple. So footer layout, edit with Elementor options are here. So you can simply edit the content using the Elementor page builder. It is simple to use, easy to use, and you can simply follow the navigator or directly click on the area that you want to edit, and you will be able to edit the content. What you have to keep in mind, you just need to follow the length of text that has been used in the demo and the dimension of images that have been used. Rest things will be fine. So just in case if you have any query, you can write in the comment section of this video, or you can start a direct chat with the mentor. So I believe you are going to use this theme and you like this video, and also going to give a thumbs up to this video. And in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Start creating wonderful websites using WordPress, and explore this theme and other themes available on this channel. Hundreds of themes, resources are there. Explore things, choose the great one, that is directly suitable for your project and start creating wonderful websites. Okay, let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.